Hi there, this is Leah from Mommyish, and this is a short tutorial to use the stitching brush and the action that goes along with it. So let's say that you are in the midst of finishing up your element. I'm going to go ahead and I'm just going to start from the get-go. You're going to see me kind of do this quickly, um, and I will be quiet for once as I do it. You can see this is a rasterized layer. I'm going to go ahead and use that. So here we go. And of course I've messed up already because I forgot to delete the paths that I already had in advance. Forgive me. Um, of course, because what else would I do? All right, good job. I have my color picked out and now I'm going to choose my brush. We're going to go with 25. Stroke it. And the other brush, stroke it again. Lovely. Um, if you don't like how the edges turn out on straight lines, what happens is the brush follows it, and there's not a rounded edge, so it's not doing the little rounded bit. Just go in to each layer and use your brush to fix it. So you just kind of go like that, and then go to use the top one and whatnot. I don't care too much about it for the sake of this, but that's how you would fix that. All right, I'm gonna go ahead and zoom out. Now what you're going to do, we want to add stitching to this. So I'm going to select my base again. It's going to say contract and stitch. You're going to choose your stitching brush. You can see it there. And depending on the size of the element, I think that this is a little too big, so I'm going to scale it down to 20 pixels from 40, so it'll have a little bit of a better look. And I'm just going to go ahead and hit play. Now you can't see what happened because it's underneath. So after you've finished all that, you're going to want to take your stitch it layer and drag it to the top. Then there's a style for the stitching. And it'll say patch stitch or patch stitching style. And as you can see it there, now I'm going to go ahead and add the other styles. Here we are. That's the one for the edge. That's the other one for the edge. And there we go. One of the patch background styles. And as you can see, that's how I would make a letter or edge that has a little stitched bit on the inside. And that's that. Just merge it all together and you're done. Make sure after you finish, if you're going to work in the same document, that you go to your paths and go ahead and delete the paths that you have, or just start in a clean document. The good thing about this action set is that you could make out a full alpha, like the whole thing, convert it into a shape with that, and get the path with this action and do it that way. And then it might take your computer a second to like chug along and do it, but you're not having to do like one after the other after the other. So that's that. Hopefully you find this a little bit useful. And also you can resize any of these brushes. It goes from 75 down to 25. So if you wanted to make it smaller, I would. I would not try to make it larger. I might include one brush that's the full, like a really big file that will allow you to scale it to whatever you'd like. So we'll see. And you guys have a fantastic day. Bye bye.